Well, hey there, Leslie here. Well, I want to ask you this question today. It's something that you need to get clear on. What is your mission in life? What is your purpose? Especially concerning, because I talk about the paralegal career here. So what is your purpose within that career? I have people tell me something that is very disturbing sometimes, that they want to help people. Well, you cannot advise people as a paralegal. You cannot give legal advice. You can help people in that, saying, when a court date is, sending them the paperwork, getting answers from the attorney or getting them connected to the attorney. But you cannot help them in the ways I think you're thinking about, okay? So only attorneys who are licensed can do that. That's what you have to, one of the things you have to get clear about this career. The other thing is, are you going to be happy performing the duties that paralegals perform? So I want you to get my playbook, because I teach you some things about that in there. And what do paralegals do every day? Go get the playbook at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. That whole website is for beginners. Look under every tab. Look under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab. I want you to download that playbook totally free, no charge. Go to the page in the playbook that talks about researching paralegal duties and learn how to perform some of those duties. Get a notebook, make a page for a certain area of law, maybe family law, real estate law, business law, so many areas of law, and write down what those duties are. Learn how to perform 3 to 6 of those duties, okay? Because that's what you're going to talk about in the interview and in the cover letter. So, finding meaning and purpose in your life is essential for experiencing fulfillment and happiness. Is this career for you? Is this your purpose? You need to understand what the duties are first, so you know that you will be happy and it's a fit for you, a fit for your personality. So get clear about your mission and or your purpose, okay? And then start living it. So here's some questions. What's your personal mission and or purpose? If you could write out that mission or purpose in one sentence, what would it be? How would you explain it to somebody in one sentence? How is somebody's life going to be better because they cross your path within the paralegal career? That could mean the attorney or the client, okay? So answer those questions and then start doing your homework, your research on the paralegal duties.